stuff in.
Your door swung open, smacked up my car, man. It's all on camera.
But the door swung open, isn't it?
Look. What have you done?
Well, how did you get beside me? I was parked with it.
I was parked.
Yeah, calm down.